another bag of sweet potatoes from mom at home. How about making some simple sweet potato and corn congee?
Sweet potato and corn congee is highly nutritious, packed with dietary fiber and vitamins, healthy and delicious. The congee is creamy and comforting, with the natural sweetness of sweet potatoes and a fresh, light crunch from corn, simple yet delightful. Ingredients: sweet potatoes, corn, rice. Wash and drain rice, set aside for later use. Rinse raw rice just 1 to 2 times quickly. Overwashing removes nutrient-rich surface layers. Washing rice removes surface dust and impurities, but excessive rinsing can wash away water-soluble vitamins and minerals. Peeled sweet potatoes yield a smoother texture and release more natural sweetness, making the congee more fragrant and velvety. Sweet potato porridge, nutrient-rich, packed with fiber, beta-carotene, and vitamin C to support digestion and immunity. Low-fat and wholesome, naturally sweet with minimal added sugar, low-calorie yet filling, perfect for healthy diets. Easy to digest, soothing and warm, ideal for cold seasons, gentle even for sensitive stomachs. Gently peel back the emerald green husk layer by layer to unveil the corn. Run your fingers along the grooves to remove the silky threads, exposing plump kernels. After rinsing, the golden cob gleams like a jewel, ready for cooking. Cut corn into sections and set aside. Toss in all ingredients into rice cooker. The recommended water-to-rice ratio for congee is 1:8. Adjust to 1:10 for thinner or 1:6 for thicker consistency. Simmer for 30 minutes over low heat until the grains are softened but still slightly textured, with an additional half cup of water needed when adding starchy ingredients like sweet potatoes or corn to prevent excessive thickening, while rice cookers can simplify the process by using the dedicated porridge function. The creamy sweet potato and corn congee is done. Making porridge is so incredibly easy. Dig into this heartwarming sweet potato corn porridge. Comfort in every spoonful. Sweet potato congee is rich in dietary fiber to improve digestion, beta-carotene converted to vitamin A for health, abundant vitamin C to boost immunity, and has a low glycemic index to help stabilize blood sugar, making it a nutritious and wholesome health food. Sweet potato and corn congee is rich in complex carbohydrates and dietary fiber to provide lasting energy and promote digestive health. The golden combination delivers double antioxidants, lutein from corn plus beta-carotene from sweet potatoes to enhance immunity, and its low-fat content with moderate glycemic index makes it an ideal warming breakfast choice for weight management. Sweet potato leaves are actually more nutritious than the tubers, with 10 times more vitamins than apples. NASA includes sweet potatoes in astronaut diets because they're easy to grow and packed with nutrients. Okinawan's longevity secret includes daily purple sweet potatoes. The aroma of roasted sweet potatoes comes from enzymatic reactions that boost sweetness. Raw sweet potatoes are edible, but their starches are hard to digest, potentially causing bloating. Best eaten cooked. Some Japanese purple sweet potato varieties can be shredded raw for salads, but only specific cultivars bred for raw consumption. Raw sweet potatoes contain trypsin inhibitors. Excessive intake may hinder protein absorption, though occasional nibbling is fine. Warning: never eat sprouted raw sweet potatoes. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough, for OVO-vegetarian. Do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.